Hello, I'm Griffin Tubon from Madison, Wisconsin, and I'm attending Edgewood High School as a senior this year.
I'm Ruben, and I'm currently a senior at West High School.
This is our submission, Civil Center.
In our approach to the Congressional App Challenge, we've striven to create a useful, accessible resource for facilitating civil dialogues, a problem concerning not just ourselves, but the world as a whole. Creating a safe space for anyone to share their ideas, regardless of censorship or environment, would be greatly beneficial to our current society. According to APM, just 13% of Americans have ever been to a protest. Our app is built for community leaders, visionaries, and everyday citizens. It's made for everyone. Many people all over the world can struggle to be heard, whether it be due to censorship, economic difficulty, or lack of information. Seemingly civil discourse has become more of a shouting match than anything else. We want to help the underheard.
For the functionality of our app, Civil Center at its core is a format. Users can create and join centers, wherein they can further create and agree with or pledge to posts. Through these interactions, we hope users are giving a platform to express their concerns, ideas, comments, and interests, all to bring about real change. We'll now show you a demonstration of how a user might navigate and utilize our app. Here we can see our web app hosted on Vercel. This is our landing page. The carousel shows some of the utilities that we've used to create our app: HTML, JavaScript, GitHub, Vercel, etc. These cards display some of the purposes a user might want to utilize our app. This is a list of how you can sign up or log in and start making some changes. Back at the top, we can see at the top left a login or sign up button. Upon clicking on it, we can log in. This is my account's information. So we click login. The bottom right says login successful, and we're brought to this page. Here we can see our centers, Test Center and CAC 2025 Planning Room. So by clicking Create a Center right here, we're prompted with a form to fill out a center name, center password, and a description. We can set these to whatever we want, and it will appear down here similarly to these two. Conversely, you could join a center by entering its password. For example, let's take the CAC 2025 Planning Room. In each center, you're confronted with your center's form container where you can make a post, filling out a post title, description, and optional anonymous posting. If you choose to post anonymously, your name, which you can see here, where it says by Griffin T, will be omitted, and instead it will say by anonymous. Moreover, each card has a pledge and agree button, through which users can either agree, which is displayed here, or pledge to a cause, which is displayed here. Users who pledge to a cause are typically intending to commit either time or resources towards a certain initiative. How was Civil Center designed? Civil Center was coded on VS Code in HTML and JavaScript, all of which can be found on our GitHub, demonstrated on Vercel. Our data is stored on Supabase. Moreover, we leveraged a number of industry standards, such as Canva and AIs like ChatGPT and Figma's own for debugging, design, and general help purposes. We did see significant challenges in establishing a database connection, for which we employed serverless JavaScript functions. Thank you